In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ledger to your Robinhood. So first thing you need to do is prepare your Ledger wallet. So you need to set up your Ledger Live, ensure you have installed and configure Ledger Live, the companion app for your Ledger device. Then you need to install the appropriate app within the Ledger Live. You can install the specific app for your cryptocurrency that you are transferring, such as your Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then you just have to generate a receive address. So open up your Ledger Live app, and then you just have to click on this receive button from the left sidebar. Then on this window you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are going to receive, and then click on continue. And then you just have to open your appropriate app on your device, and then simply you will be able to get your wallet address. Then click on this copy icon right next to your wallet address. Then you need to open up your Robinhood app, and then you need to make sure that you have enabled the crypto transfer on your Robinhood. So if you haven't enabled crypto transfer, you need to verify your identity. You need to complete any necessary identity verification within the Robinhood app, and then that you just have to provide your details and verify your identity. Then you need to enable the two-factor authentication, and this be aware that enabling the crypto transfer may take up to 5 business days. Once your crypto transfer has been enabled, you can initiate the crypto from Robinhood to your Ledger device. So click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrency that you have in your account. Then from here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Then you just have to scroll down and then click on this send button. Now you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on this continue button. After that you just have to click on this enter manually button, and then you just have to paste the wallet address that you have copied from your Ledger device, and then click on this review button. And once you click on this review button, it will ask you to confirm everything. So be make sure to check your wallet address and the amount you are transferring. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Robinhood to your Ledger. So that is how you can basically connect your Ledger to your Robinhood. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.